Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Tata, V's character from BT21. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the head. Draw a large heart shape on a slight angle like this. Next, we're going to draw the face starting with the eyes. Draw 2 circles inside here and then color them in black. Now draw the eyebrows on top with short straight lines across. For the mouth, draw a large oval shape here. And then a straight line inside. Let's draw his body next. Leave a gap and then draw lines down for either side of the body. Now in the middle, draw a short line at the bottom. Then close off the bottom on both sides like this for the legs. Let's draw the arms now. On the right side, draw a curve down from the head and connect it back to the side of the body. Now for the left arm, start with a small line out here. Then leave a gap and draw a small V shape. Now before continuing the arm, let's draw his laser gun. Draw a curve towards the face and then back down here. And then another smaller curve here. Now draw a rectangular shape below for the handle. Finish off the arm now with a curve back to the body. Lastly, let's finish off the laser gun. Close off the shape here with the line across. Now draw 2 angled lines outwards. Then connect them with a line across. Next, draw 2 lines coming out the center. And then a circle at the end to close it off. And finally, 2 lines across here. And that's it for Tata. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.